Hello guys, today I am going to show you a product that I purchased recently. This is actually GoPro Hero 7, which is the best action camera available right now in the market. I had ordered it from Flipkart. I had ordered it on 22nd May and it was delivered today, this 26th May. So almost 4 days it took to get it delivered. So I'll say quite fast delivery during this pandemic time and lockdown situation. So I'm quite happy with the delivery. Bought it for approx 27,000. It includes some accessories like SD card and mount and batteries, extra battery. And I purchased GoPro because it is already worldwide known best action camera. There are other brands also and other cameras from other brands like Insta360, DJI Osmo, SJ Cam, YE. So GoPro is the best. GoPro has already proven its quality and might. But it certainly purchased this product mainly because of motovlogging and occasional action videography. Because I am not a regular YouTuber or not a regular vlogger. I do these things occasionally only. Whenever I get time to nurture my hobbies and nurture my passions, only then I do take photographs or videographs of beautiful things or surroundings. But still I wanted to get the best product available in the market. That's why I had gone for the GoPro Hero 7. So I have the product with me. This is the box I got from Flipkart. You can see. So let's unbox it and let's see what we are getting inside. So these are camera. This is the camera we are getting. This. Let's open the mount. Yes, that's it. So this is the action camera GoPro Hero 7. With this we are getting a manual, GoPro sticker, support website, the mounting instructions. This is another mount. This is the Type-C charging cable. One battery. This is another battery. So two batteries they are given. One SanDisk adapter and one SanDisk micro SD card of 32 GB. You can see this is 32 GB. And this is the mounting stick. So this is all you are getting. This is the bill. You have to register it to the website using the serial number. Maybe action camera itself. Let's open it. This is the casing. So let's open the casing and this is the camera. You can see this is the mighty camera. So guys, this is all about. I'll next charge the batteries and insert the camera and check and if the camera is okay or not. Everything is working fine. I have to check. So okay guys, that's it. Now let's try mounting the camera in the given GoPro mounting, and then in the shorty stick also. Now let's try mounting the camera in the GoPro mounting given and also to the shorty stick. This is the power button gap and this is the mode button gap, so you have to take care of it and insert the camera in the mounting. Now just lock it. Okay, it's done. Now let's so you can see mounting is done. This is the shorty stick. You can use it as a tripod also. This is the tripod position.